Hello everyone. So for my first TikTok video, I want to explore my theory on what happened to the Foundation in Fortnite. First up, I think the Foundation is alive. I don't think he's at Frosted Flats. I think the Foundation is somewhere under the map. Now, why I think this is because during the Shattered Live event, the Foundation was frozen by the Ice King, and when Dark Voyager killed the Ice King, the Foundation stayed frozen. Dark Voyager rearranged the map using the 0 point, causing Dark Dominion to be destroyed. But I think parts of it were sent through other universes, and when the Dark Harvester was destroyed, the 0 point was at peace, but I think when it rearranged the terrain currently around it, I think that the Foundation was still there with parts of Dark Dominion. So where the 0 point is, I think, is remains of Dark Dominion. And looking at it professionally, the Foundation was close to the 0 point when it was being powered, and the closest thing to the 0 point right now are these rocks. Obviously, it cannot be the center rock because it's right underneath the 0 point. I suspect it's this one because it's exactly where Foundation was frozen if you look at it from the 0 point being the center. But the 0 point rearranged the island, causing even more problems. Let's look at it using Wonky Land. Wonky Land was originally exactly where Lifty Lodge is, but after Shattered, it was moved to where Painted Palms was. Since Foundation was opposite of Wonky Land, I think he would be moved exactly here. I found that this rock was exactly there, which could be big enough. Basically, my theory is that the Foundation is currently trapped in a rock around the 0 point. Anyway, have a good day, guys.